When I woke up today, the first thing I did was go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I also did my makeup, which was eyeliner and blush. Then I put my outfit on. I also put these eye masks on. Then I went downstairs to go get breakfast. Alright, I made myself a yogurt bowl, so I'm just gonna watch something on my iPad and eat this. After eating my breakfast, I packed my bag and went to the car to go to school. Alright, I'm in my car now, but it's actually raining so much. We made it. I asked my friend Brandon to build this Lego for me, and he gave it to me first period.
I made it. Christmas!
I was basically really bored in all these classes. I didn't record all of them because why should I?
Boring as shit. Alright, we were playing Secret Santa, and then I got perfume from this one dude in my class. He's super nice. Right, Danielle?
Yeah, he's very nice. He makes very good drawings. But now we're gonna show you guys a smell test.
You smell good?
You are
the slowest walker ever!
It smells good. Only problem is
It smells like wine.
After all of that yapping, I finally went out of the school and I waited for my dad to pick me up. Alright guys, my dad just went to get pizza at the local pizzeria, and bro, look how good this looks, dude. Yeah, it's 2:58 right now, and I'm actually so hungry, so I'm gonna eat the pizza my dad got me. When I finished eating my food, I went downstairs to quickly walk my dog. I went upstairs to unbox one of my packages. So my mom just ordered food and she told me to come downstairs. I think we got some noodles, like pho. When I finished all my food, I went upstairs to brush my teeth. just turned all my lights off and I'm just gonna go to bed right now.